Good morning, everyone! Today, we are going to explore the fascinating world of civil engineering, a field that has been instrumental in shaping our daily lives. From the roads we drive on to the buildings we live and work in, civil engineers play a crucial role in designing, building, and maintaining the infrastructure that supports our modern society. So in this presentation, we'll delve into the definition and scope of civil engineering, its various branches, and the people behind this vital profession. So let's get started! So what is civil engineering? So civil engineering is a broad field of engineering that involves the design, construction, and maintenance of the built environment. This includes infrastructures like roads, bridges, tunnels, dams, airports, and water and sewage systems. So civil engineers work to ensure that these structures are safe, functional, and sustainable, contributing to the development and improvement of society's physical foundation. So the field covers various subdisciplines such as structural engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, and many more. As I've said, there are a lot of sub-disciplines under the civil engineering. However, in this presentation, we will only going to delve in 3 sub-disciplines under the civil engineering, which are structural engineering, environmental engineering, and transportation engineering. What is structural engineering? So structural engineering is a specialized branch of civil engineering that focuses on the design and analysis of structures that support or resist loads. Structural engineers ensure that buildings, bridges, towers, and other structures are strong, stable, and safe to use. So, these engineers analyze how different materials like steel, concrete, wood, and others behave under various forces such as gravity, wind, earthquakes, and more. So, here are some examples of structural engineering. So, one of the examples is when these engineers design a building that can withstand strong winds and earthquakes. Another one is building a bridge that can hold the weight of many cars and trucks. And lastly, creating a tall tower that doesn't fall over in a strong wind.
Environmental engineering. So environmental engineering is a specialized branch of civil engineering focused on designing systems and processes to protect and improve the environment. That includes water and water waste management systems, wherein they design water supply systems, sewage treatment plants, and stormwater management systems. The next one would be air quality control, where they aim at reducing air pollutions, solid waste management like landfills, recycling facilities, and water-to-waste energy plants, environmental impact assessment, sustainable design and green infrastructure, contaminated site remediation, regulatory compliance. In the essence, environmental engineering within civil engineering focuses on ensuring that the infrastructure projects are environmentally responsible and sustainable, minimizing the negative impact on natural resources and public health.
So what is transportation engineering all about? So transportation engineering is a branch of civil engineering focused on the design, development, and maintenance of transportation systems and infrastructure. This field encompasses the planning, construction, and operation of roads, bridges, and public transit systems to ensure safe and sustainable movement of people and goods. Their work is crucial for supporting economic development, enhancing public safety, and improving quality of life by facilitating reliable and accessible transportation options. Presenting you the GOATs of civil engineering. So, GOAT is just an acronym for greatest of all time. So here we have John Smeaton, David Kunsunji, Joseph Bazalgette, and Gustave Eiffel. So this is John Smeaton's Eddystone Lighthouse. So for background information of John Smeaton, he was born on June 8, 1724 in Oslo. He was a renowned English civil engineer, physicist, and mathematician who made significant contributions to the field of engineering. He is famous for designing the Eddystone Lighthouse, which was completed in 1759, located off the coast of Cornwall, England. It was the first lighthouse to be built using hydraulic lime. So what is hydraulic lime ba? So hydraulic lime is a form of concrete that sets underwater. His work on the Eddystone Lighthouse earned him the title of the Father of Civil Engineering.
So next up is Engineer David M. Consonji. So Engineer David M. Consonji is a Filipino civil engineer referred to as the father of Philippine construction. He founded DMCI, a construction company that led the construction of Cultural Center of the Philippines, or CCP, an amazing infrastructure that hosted numerous events.
Sir Joseph William Bazalgette. So he is the captain of sanitation of ICE, or the Institution of Civil Engineers. He was a civil engineer in the 19th century, and he created the London's first sewer network, which is still used today. His work was crucial in reducing the spread of waterborne diseases such as cholera and improving the overall sanitation of London. Back then, the concept of environmental engineering was not yet established, but now he is considered to be an environmental engineering based on his creations.
Last but not the least, we have Gustave Eiffel's Eiffel Tower! Yay! So Gustave Eiffel was a French civil engineer and architect born on December 15, 1832 in Dijon, France. He was the engineer behind the design and construction of the Eiffel Tower, completed in 1889 for the Paris Exposition Universelle. So Eiffel's innovative use of iron in the towers let this structure allowed it to reach an unprecedented 300 meters, making it the tallest man-made structure at that time. Originally criticized, the tower's unique design and engineering brilliance have since made it an iconic symbol of France and a testament to Eiffel's pioneering work in structural engineering. He also played a crucial role in construction of the Statue of Liberty by designing its internal iron framework, which will be shown in the next slide.
So before we end this presentation, let's talk about some fun facts about civil engineering. So first fun fact is civil engineering is actually one of the oldest engineering disciplines dating back to ancient times. The Great Pyramid of Giza, built around 2600 BC, is one of the earliest examples of civil engineering. So another fun fact about civil engineering is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. So do you know that Burj Khalifa, standing at 828 meters or 2,717 feet, is the tallest man-made structure in the world? Civil engineers played a crucial role in designing and constructing this architectural feat.
The first civil engineering. Did you know that the first civil engineering known by name is Imhotep? He was the architect and the structural engineer of the Step Pyramid of Djoser in Egypt around 2630 to 2611 BC. He is often considered the world's first civil engineering. The next one would be the world's longest bridge. The Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge in China is the world's longest bridge, stretching over 164.8 kilometers or 102.4 miles. It was completed in 2010 and is a marvel of modern civil engineering. Last but not the least is the Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is completed in 1914 and is one of the greatest civil engineering projects ever undertaken. It involves cutting through a mountain and constructing massive locks to allow ships to pass between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It is very helpful in facilitating global trades.